In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Yahoo emails at once. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account by visiting the Yahoo Mail login page and entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox, which is where the bulk selection tools live. Yahoo typically shows up to 100 emails per page, and there isn't a single unified all-mail view, so you'll handle this folder by folder. Start in the folder you want to clean, like Inbox. At the top of the message list, click the small checkbox above the emails. This selects all messages currently visible on the page. After you do that, look for a banner or prompt that appears near the top, offering to select all messages in that folder. Click it to expand your selection beyond the current page. If you don't see the prompt, it means you're selecting only what's on screen, so you may need to repeat the selection on each page. Remember to repeat this process in other folders you want to clear, such as Sent and Spam, since Yahoo handles them separately. With your email selected, click the trash can icon. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm. The messages will move to the trash folder. At this point, they're not gone forever. They can still be recovered from trash until Yahoo automatically purges them after a certain period. This is helpful if you make a mistake, but it also means your mailbox isn't truly clean yet. To permanently remove everything, head to the trash folder. Use the same bulk selection method. Check the box at the top to select all visible emails, then choose the option to select all in trash when prompted. Click the trash can or the empty option to delete them again. This action permanently removes the messages, freeing up space and ensuring they don't reappear. Take a moment to review before you finalize, because permanent deletion can't be undone. If you're dealing with an extremely large volume of mail, the selection prompts can be a time saver, but they can still take a while. After you've made the initial selections, you may consider using a reputable third-party cleanup tool to streamline the process, especially if you're organizing multiple folders. Just ensure you're comfortable with the tool and understand what it will delete before you proceed. That's it. Sign in, bulk select by folder, delete to trash, then empty trash for a permanent clean slate.